Hi guys, I'm back. So I already cut the bell pepper. Okay. Let's see. The bell pepper. And I also cut the potatoes. Potatoes right here. So the meat is cooking so well. As you can see, the water evaporates it. So you might have to put maybe one cup at a time. I put 2 cups, but I didn't put it all together. If you know what I mean, right? Just to add more water so it won't be all dried out. So that's the meat, and the meat is already tender, but not as tender I want it to be. So I'm gonna leave it more in there, but I'm gonna add the bell pepper. Get the bell pepper here. So just put the bell pepper in there. Be careful not to splatter the juice on you. Alright, let's get you guys over here. Sorry about that. The other video, my phone fell and it just cut up everything. So I couldn't finish what I had to say. Okay. Just let it continue cooking until all the bell peppers are soft and tender, and the meat will be more tender too. And then we'll add the tomato last because you know the tomato cooks faster. So I'll wait when I'll probably leave it. I don't know. Maybe I'll cook it 30 more minutes. No, let's do 20 minutes, and then I'm gonna add potatoes. Actually, I'll go ahead and add the potatoes. This it should be done. Should be done all together. Oh, that was close. Okay, we'll cook it for 30 minutes then. The potatoes and the bell pepper should be tender and soft, and the meat, oh, I can't wait to eat this stuff. It's beautiful, ain't it? Look at that. Wow, it's beautiful. And I just made some rice on the side. My rice cooker broke, so I cook in the pot. The kids love rice. So when it gets done, I'll show you the ending. I think I'm hungry again. Alright, so, well, let's set that in. Okay. 30 minutes. I'll see you guys back in 30 minutes. You should be done by then. And I'll do another mukbang. Well, maybe I'll wait. I can wait. What should we do, guys? Instead of doing another video. Oops, sorry. I'm so tired. Got up at 1. Wait, did I get up at 1? No, I got up at midnight. Went to the store and get the stuff. Came home, straight to bed. And my 4-year-old was awake. I don't know why she's been awake lately, late at night. But she needs to go back to her sleeping habit. She was so tired this morning. She didn't want to get up. Oh, yeah. This morning we were all late. Okay, well, not all. Only Madeline and PJ. We all wake up late. 7:30. Oh my God. Oh, I messed up there. Perfect attendance. We were all so tired. Not only did they want to get up. Because you know why? She was awake at 1 and then she woke me up at 5. That girl. But yeah. Oh, you know what? What I did this morning? I shopped at Sam's online. Because that's how lazy I am. But I got all the kids' snacks for the rest of the month. Well, yeah, like a month. Because the sizes and the bulk they have is ridiculous. And it's cheaper. Even it's cheaper from H-E-B and Walmart. Usually I'll spend maybe, I think, $60 for the whole week. That's between, you know, my 2 boys and Madeline. And then it's still not really enough because, I don't know, it's just not enough. But I got the bulks at Sam's. I got like goldfish, chips, Chex Mix, cookies, grandma's cookies. They love those. They're like 30 pack, 50 pack, 40 pack. And I only spend like $50. It's ridiculous. And you know what great thing is? We've had Sam's Club membership. And we only went once. But I'm gonna start shopping at Sam's Club. Y'all should get it. I mean, they charge like $45 a year or $100 a year. It depends which membership you want. $45, that's all you need. But it's really cheap. I like Sam's because they got all the bulks I need. Hopefully the kids won't eat it all, so I need like a lock on my pantry or something, because they'll be gone in 2 weeks. They eat too much junks. Well, who am I kidding? Look at you. Yeah, it's my fault. You see that? You see that it's boiling? Yes, yes. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, and the chips back there, we're gonna do queso chips with rodelo. What is it called? It's not rodelo, it's rotel. Rodelo. Can't wait to eat this bad boys. I always try to cook something ahead of time when I have to work evening, because so the kids got something to eat when I get off school. Oh, where's my cover? Oh. Cover, so I can just cover it up. I don't know where it is. And usually, at the end, I put raisins. So it's like a mixture of sweet and spicy, but it's really good with raisin when you add it to it. But this time I'm not gonna put any raisins because I forgot to get it, and I don't feel like going back to the store. Oh my god, I'm so tired, y'all. I can't even take a nap. I'm watching this show on Netflix, Short Story. No, it's called Horror Story. It's just like a mini story show. Y'all should check it out. It's pretty good. I like it. Sometimes you just gotta mix it around so everyone gets a bait in there. Oh, so tired, y'all. Y'all see that boiling? Yes. Let me put up this candy for I forget and somebody eats it. They don't need to be eating candy. Not that much. Kids are kids. I wish y'all could smell that. It smells so good. I'll be right back, y'all, okay? My pause right here. If I know how to pause it. Uh-oh, I don't know how to pass it. Guess I'm just gonna let it run. How do I pause the video? Pause the video. Let me see.